And once again, thank you for inviting me onto your screen. So, in our previous stream, if I can load it, we did the staging area, which is basically, I need to do the stream title. We did the staging area, which is basically, you know, the thing that you go to before you enter the dungeon and where you return once you're, at like 5 HP each and completely out of mana. Stage titles. Hang on. Hit the wrong thing. The reason you're seeing this is because I've loaded the dungeon. I've loaded the dungeon. No, I haven't loaded the dungeon. I've loaded these markers. In transition FX. We've done these markers and then we load what we've saved and it's chucked an error. Why is it chucked an error? Oh, there's probably something wrong with the yep. For some reason the Git repo must have not done this, or must have forgot to commit it, and now it's but hang on, where is it? Oh shit, it might be that I've completely forgotten to do everything and it's out. What was a profile manager? Where are you? Combat? Equipment serialization? Why is it in serialization? Is it serialization? Well, actually, I tell a lie, it does. Right. Now let's try it. Yeah, because I put everything into Comet before, and then I tried merging it into Master. What I've already done, there must have been something silly to go on. Right. So, as you can see, we load our dungeon, we go back up, and it takes you to the staging area. And what we want to do today is make things a little more, less jarring. Yeah, we'll use that terminology. Also, these things aren't updating. Why are they not updating? Oh, fuck off. Why would it be disposed? So the battle scene's in here and then... Ah, shit. I thought I'd change this to... Oh. Whatever. I thought I caught this. Oh. Like I said, I really could have sworn that I... Okay, now let's try it. Because yeah, we were able to go in and out of the background floor. Go up. Go in. Also, the editor just does not update, which is really annoying. I need to find somewhere that has enemies to check. Okay, so that's fine, but What's this now? Player display context. What? Oh god, no. I thought... I thought Godot took off everything when you get rid of it. So... Or do I have to do it... Yeah, if these get rid of, then... This is on there, this has been added, but... Oh no, maybe if it's the combat that goes, but if it's the listener that gets disposed, then yeah, it wouldn't. I'm guessing that's what's going on. This is annoying. I'll just fix this and then hopefully and get back to what I actually wanted to do. Also, no problem with Godot's Git thing. It doesn't let you handle merges from within the editor, so you have to load the thing in Git bash it in a Git bash window itself and then do the merging from there. Fortunately. Right, that should put it in, then add a sort of on dispose or exit tree, something like that. Yep. Guess we'll have to do that then. I open up my streaming, there we go. Don't care about these. Right, hopefully this will work. Hopefully. So the main map's... No, it's not being saved. Because I was in here before. Yeah, I am definitely changing this lot of menus. Okay, that's that. No, it wasn't being saved because I exited out. If I go up and go back into the depths. Yep, the mini-maps updated. So finally I was saying currently these are not that responsive. Well, they are kind of responsive, but it's a bit jarring to go from one screen directly to another. So that's what this stream is going to be about. We're going to be making some transitions. So this is the scene that I had open at the start. It's your bog standard. Well, this is a debug here. Yeah, if it's not the current scene, then get rid of it. So let's open up our scene transitions class. Ooh. Right, so we've got our white rectangle. So we'll override already. Then if get tree dot current scene is not this, then get node it's control, looking at my monitor, control, and it's called debug, and get rid of that. So yeah, it makes it so that we don't have this showing all the time, because this is going to be an auto load. So we'll make a bog standard wipe animation and then maybe have it fade back in or something like that. So we'll probably put this animation player as a child of wipe in case I want to put in some more effects. Then each effect will have its own animation player, so there's no need to share. We'll have one, override the other. We'll have this wipe in. So what I want to do is get, hang on, property, give it in a second. So it's going to start here and it will end I should probably set the yeah, I should probably just set anchors instead of position. That might be a lot better. So it's just anchors top and bottom. It's top. Zero. Come on. 2.5. Just whoa. Oh, it's this, isn't it? Get rid of the offsets. Don't need them. Keyframes here and here. So I want it to be, well, if it's 1 and 2.5, I want to have it as minus 1.5 and 0. like that. Maybe not. Let's try it. Zoom in quite a bit. Bit slow. That has 0.7. Make it slightly. Add first then add one called reset, which has anchor bottom is 1, and anchor top is 1, anchor bottom is minus 2.5. Sorry, 2.5. 2.5. 1. Also have its self-modulators. Opaque black. Yep. Then I don't know, I'm not entirely sure if this would work, but oh well. Wipes self-modulate. It is self-modulate, right? Yes. Wipe in. What key is it? It's black in there. Yes. So we wipe in, reset. Then so let's say we want to go to a new scene. We first of all wipe in, load the scene, and then when it has loaded, we then play fade out. Like that. Is there a way to get on scene ready? I'm fairly sure there is. Not an override. Wipe in. Get node of animation player of type wipe slash animation player play wipe score in think these should be private. No private. Then no, come on. Public void transition 2. File. String file path. Lowercase a. Path. No, it isn't. It's get tree dot set change scene to file path. Wipe in. It's got to be an await when we've loaded the scene. Change scene. Probably should. Oh, fuck off. To file. The searching of this is just atrocious. Okay. Change scene to returns global scope okay on success. Okay. I could just do this, I think. I'm not that great with how. Oh. Okay, we'll just get rid of it. Yeah, because this is going to hang it no matter what, so. Or maybe, I don't know. There was something that I did in Sheena's Weavery that let you load it threaded. Oh, at the end of the frame. Sure. Okay, we'll keep it as is, and then I think it's just going to fade out, and then... Yeah, this is going to be an ace. No, it wouldn't. It would, I think one... I'm going to probably worry about threading later. Maybe. Also, I want to add a little spinny thing. Yeah, a sort of a loading animation. Except I haven't made that yet, so probably gonna have to go into Critter. Or I could just do it in Inkscape. At the very least, just make, I don't know, 5 dots and have them rotate, and then... Okay, sure, and then... Reset, yeah. So... wipe it and then cue the... Yeah, that might be better. Extra rep. There'll be a placeholder. Anchor it to the bottom right. Now it's offset out. Pivot offsets will be... What I don't like is that you can't set pivot offsets as what do you want? You can't set them as proportionally like you would with you know, the anchors. It's just doesn't seem right. But you need to I don't know, have to sort of guarantee it through code or just something like that. Anyways, anchors instead of bottom right. Another thing is that you set it to bottom right, but then you have to set it to custom as well, and it's just horrible. Right. I've left as something like, I don't know. Oh, okay, that's just not. Nope. Yeah, it seems like the might just have to set the. Oh god, what the fuck? One, get back here. Set the anchor offsets like that, but we. Yeah, if you change the size, the pivot doesn't change with it unless there's a way to make sure that it is. I don't... Yeah, I'm a bit, because it's we're working with rotations and what have you. A bit. A bit wonky. So it would be minus. So we would have this minus 95 minus 32 would be 128. Things you change the like that, and then we'll have to take away 32 from this as well, so that'd be minus 47. And I think we do the same for the other axis. Right, so we do that. Yeah, okay. So we'll make another animation. First of all, we'll make the loading icon visible through. Okay, visible true, yes. Then come on, in your own time, Godot. Loading rotation. Probably have it 60 revs a minute. $360. Or I could just have it. Nah, we'll just have it as 360. Have it loop as well. And looks a bit small. So icon. Maybe another 32, so minus 160. Minus 160. 79. Yep. About right. Maybe make it a bit bigger. Currently 32, so make it 40. 168. Yeah, and then we'll need to update this. If we've added 8, we'll add 4. Yeah, that's... definitely. Okay. And then when it does load, we can just fade everything out. So yeah, fade out as well. Come on. Yeah, oh, best save. If it's gonna get a bit stubborn, then we definitely want to save often because it can go at any time. Crash. Yeah, crash at any time, that's what I meant. Have that fade out as well. And show the new scene. Which means we just add the loading icon to reset as well. Visible equals false. And self-modulate equals what? Yep. Lets us play wiping and then yeah, same so. Oh dear. While player equals this, then player.play wiping, then player u I did call it loading spin, didn't I? Yes, I did. Right. Big yawn, big stretch. The mood lighting to be a bit warmer. Blah 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 visibles. Right. Want to add something to the debug, some buttons. There's the this. We'll actually make this a HBox VBox container. And get to top left. But it's offset to 32 by 32, which puts it in the top left hand corner. And then we can just add a button at the end of it. type in fade out. To staging area. Copy this path. This one. Rest will in transitions. Oh. Transition to file with a string. That connect. I did reboot clean this morning. So that does beg the question, why is this still being difficult? Okay, we'll make these public for the time being, just to test them. Right, build it. Okay. Oh, go. Oh, bollocks. Don't have to do this shit again. There we go. If we load this, play this scene. Of course, it blocks all the input because it's above everything. Of course, it's blocking the... Fortunately, we don't need... We only need to ignore max input. Okay, now let's try it. Looks alright, let's try loading some. Oh. Ah, I think I know what's up. It just did it and then loaded the scene as well, but this is supposed to be an auto load, so it's supposed to be above the hierarchy. So yeah, this is just useless. Yeah, we'll get rid of that. No, that's not gonna work, because... No, wait, it will. Because... Yeah, it's gonna work because the wiping finishes and then the looping plays. So I can put it on here. Change. No. If I put that on there, it's gonna be signals, where are you? Animation changed, current animation changed. No animation finished, is it? What about here? Animation finished, string name, anim name. Yeah. Okay, we'll go with this one. So... private string scene file to load. Private packed scene to load. Scene file to load equals file path. Scene to load equals null. Wipe in. Then it would be something like wipe player dot animation finish plus equal. We'll put it here, and then if anim name is equal to string name dot. Okay, fine. Wipe in. If scene file to load is not null, then change that. Else if scene to load is not null. Get tree. Change into packed. Scene to load. Else do nothing else. Okay. So out of the enemy party. We want staging area and the dungeon. This staging menu here, instead of loading here, we can go with scene transitions dot instance. I know I haven't implemented it yet. Dot load from fact scene dungeon scene. Private static underscore scene transitions. Oh, scene transition instance. Public static scene transitions instance. Just getter. If no, if not id. Instance is not null. Or if if instance is null, then instance equals no, it'd be main engine dot get main loop dot get tree. Completely forgot how I did it elsewhere. And this thing up. Oh, root.getNode. Scene transitions. There we go, and then main scene. Scene file to load is null, and then our scene to load would be the scene. Change scene to act. Why do I always... whenever A is the second letter of a word, it's always, without fail, I always forget to lift my finger off shift. Oh dear. Ooh. I've been up all night. I should probably take a nap. Come back for a stream. Wipe in, error, fade out. Right. See how it works here. We'll add our scene transitions to right, do that. Save this. Now, hopefully, everything in the scene transition string will just be gotten rid of before we see it, and then yeah, we can go into the depths. Oh, nothing's happened. Oh gosh. I've still got this shit in. Oh. Okay, now let's try it. Not even an error this time. The thing's just refusing to load. Wipe in. Plays that. Play the wipe in, but it doesn't. Let me have a look at what's going on remote. No errors, so we are getting the node properly. What? Hang on. Put this on the other monitor. Right, AL scene transitions. Wipe. Why did it not play? The anchor is at same, it's just not getting the not playing the theme. It's just not playing it. It's spankling the enter depths, but the scene's transition's just not playing. If I open it up here, wipe in plays. But it doesn't play if it's... Ah. I'll have to put it as a window. Something like that. It should be, because it's the ordering, it puts it below the scene transitions. Right? So it only should affect the drawing order. But... nothing. There's not even an error. I don't think I've set combat's timescale to 0. Have I? You know, it might be that. Although I have absolutely no idea why it would be. Maybe combat's getting initialized to... yeah, the timescale's getting initialized to 0, but it shouldn't. Right? Oh, come on, Godot. Why is it so slow? Wiping in 1. Okay, so it's not the timescale, it's just not playing. This code just is not being executed despite it being... Let's try from the debugger, see what works. It might be that Visual Studio catches something that Godot doesn't, or if it's just being quietly swallowed. Right, here we go. No, nothing on that side either. This is getting called, so why isn't... Godot... Auto load animation... player... How to save a timer and play animation player data. Animation player does not listen to my statements calling functions in animation. Singletons, autos... I have a pause menu when touching the end level door, moves the animation auto load. Oh, okay. It's not got the same thing as me in it a year ago, and nobody's commented. I didn't set the pause menu scene as auto load because I don't know how to make it not show up on specific scenes. Instead, pause menu is under a canvas layer node that is always the node of a level. Both scenes have a pause menu set to process. Clip of the situation. Okay. Okay, what's the problem? Touches the end level, it changes level and uses an animation. The pause menu can show up in front of the scene changer animation, but it doesn't stop it. Oh. So this one does work, except... I kind of set the things from... Perhaps it might be in a different viewport? Oh, I don't know. Cameras transform glue, cameras transform window, transform order, transform function, viewport, docket, stream transform, in custom. What? And the other thing I can think of is putting this all as a window. Having the wipe as a window, have it move up. And then change the scene on the fly. Something like that? Put this under its own window and then here. And now we've got nothing. Right, transparent background. Oh. Oh. ridiculous. Fine, it can't be a pop-up either. Ah, this is ridiculous. Okay. Why did it set its anchor offsets to? Is that why the pop-up wouldn't work? Why does this? Nope. Godot play animation from auto load. Oh no, this is ridiculous. No, this isn't it. Custom blend times and speed can be set. Nope. Speed scale is 1. Not that. Engine scale's 1. Well. Just not, the animation's just not playing. It's animeplayer.play wipe underscore. Get animation, wipe animation. Yep. Okay, so plays reset. And it's gotten rid of the debugs. Okay. Okay, so I think we might actually... Okay, but that doesn't explain why it's just not showing on the screen, though. Right. This doesn't work. I'll probably call the stream now. Get some sleep. Huh? It does work. So when do we transition to the packed scene? It just doesn't. This just doesn't get... Well, it does get called, but the thing just doesn't play. What in the name of all that is holy is going on? So... Oh, you know what I've done? I played wipe in then fade out, so wiping gets played and then fade out gets played as well. Oh, yeah, that would explain it. I'm an idiot. Yeah, I need sleep. I need more sleep than I got. Yes. Change scene to file and then fade out. Oh. I knew it was something that I've done. Alright. Oh, such an idiot. Okay, so hopefully it should work. Okay, oh yeah, but then we run into the same problem. The animation doesn't finish. It changes, but it doesn't finish. If that makes sense. So, if I go to not emitted when the animation is changed by a player or by an animation tree. Current animation changed. Okay. So if we go to animation mixer, it should say not emitted if an animation should be notified when an animation finished playing. But then it... But surely the wipe in finishes playing and then... Because the thing is... hang on. Cues an animation for playback once the current one is done. Right? So when the current one finishes, it should emit animation finished. At least that's what I'm getting from the docs. Oh, fuck. Do I have to use current animation changed? Okay, current animation changed. Emit when current animation changes. I'm guessing that the string name is the new one. Right. Right. hopefully this should work. Oh. Oh. Okay, there's no... wipe in. Wipe in, then loading spin, then... Oh, okay. So loading spin doesn't work because we changed scene. Yeah, we change our scene to a file, and then that sort of makes everything hang. Okay, so we're gonna have to load it asynchronously, like we did with Pole Canvas. Okay. Well, this works. It's not great, but it works, and that's good enough. So now in the dungeon, we go to yes. Then it will be on depth change. Here we go. Go to send level. Scene. Scene transitions dot instance dot transition to file. That. We will also need to do something else. Save the current party. So stuff like save party status, which will be the player entities, which is going to be profile manager. Instant dot save party status. Party status, party progress. Then the party status would be the other thing. Small player character. Save characters. Yeah. Get rid of that and we'll probably instead call it save characters. Right. So I'm going to open up combat because that's where our player party is stored. Player entities, yes. Of course, base stats and behavior. Active class ID. So the... Okay, player entity. We'll check where we're going. EXP changed event handler, yes. Entry, active class. AL character class list, get class ID. So the player character needs to have this, which we get from player character class experience, which is a list of ints and current EXPs. Right. I think that this should hold it, and then the player entity, which is responsible for the dungeon, should only hold the stuff for the current player character's class. Because I don't think I want to put it so you can change classes in the middle of the dungeon, or at the very least have a rest area so we can do it like that. But if we have that thing, I don't think there's a need to hold 28 ints and 28 U ints. Yeah, I suppose that, or something like that. And from there, we can probably make another struct here saying player character or something like something like player character class experience list, and then this will be, then we just retool this player character class experience struct into a new class. No, a new this saving and this loading is going to be alright. I reckon I could probably fit the entire parties into one file, which you can do. Just to ensure that they're in the right order. Save to that, and then save. From there, you load, and the file access would have its cursor, if you want to call it that, seek position, whatever you want to call it, at the new bit. Yeah, that seems like a way to do it. Anyways, I said I'd take a quick break to get a top up of caffeine. So that's what I'm going to do. See you soon. Right. Back on here, back on here. A little bit. Hold. Rightio. Ah yes. Saving the their party. Active class would be, yeah. Okay. Okay. So I don't think the active class is going to change. Yeah, the character class experience probably also. So we need a way to find. Public enum player character ID. I'm fairly sure I did the player character name, and they'll be in I'm fairly sure I wrote a player character status. This. No, not this. Is it? No. Player character info, that's what I wanted. That's this. We can, quite frankly, get rid of. This is old. This is still used. And that's just the whole party as a, yeah, the party as a whole. Okay. So probably player character name and then maximum from ID. So Axel, Bettel, Leon, they're in alphabetical order, mind you, which is why Vanguard and HQ are all mixed up. Right. Something in. Dead. Yes. That bloody USBs, am I right? Let's see. Yes. Actually, should we put this in? Nah, we'll have it in Profile Manager. Or rather, not put this in Profile Manager, but have stuff like save characters. Here we go. So there we go. Bar character file equals technically that should be whatever. Right. 6 by 86. Or I have a 6 by 8. 588s, that's the amount of... No. I multiply that by 4? Oh, just over 2 kilobytes. Yeah, I can spare that amount of memory. Like where... The, okay. If I really wanted to save that much memory, I'll probably rewrite this to actually put it in write-read mode. Sorry, read-write mode. Go to the place where we need to go and then just scan through the file and then only rewrite the name that we need. But no. I think I will... What am I doing? It was only the player character class experience that we need to have. Save characters gets... Yeah. But there's gotta be a way to... Instead of calling it from here, have player party. No, because we want to get the... We'll be getting the entity info from combat anyway. So... Bar... player equals combat.instance.get player? No. Player party? No. Get player character. Their character name. I. Here. we save it, we won't care class is not left, but get the class list, then we do initialize them. Yes. Default to 0, so yeah, if we store all this, then that'd be alright. We do have the amount of classes. So bar amount of classes equals character file dot get 32. If I want to drag this to another monitor. Right. So get the amount of classes and then for each store them. Else yeah, we're gonna need to player dot class no. Right. No, I think we'll probably just overwrite it all. Like this. And then if I want to, so there's only one being loaded into memory, then yeah, keep it like that. Okay, generating the method. Return player party. Get party member by ID. Hi. I think we've got yes. Oh. Get rid of this then. I think. Oh no, it's public. It might be. Finding files. Oh. Nope, just here. Yep. And load them, and I think that'll be it for today. I'm on the scene transitions branch. Fuck. Ah, well. I'm just watching scene transitions and character saving. I need to stop doing that. Oh well. If it doesn't exist, gd.printer file. It would help if I actually got something that actually did work. Bar file path equals character file path dot replace Profile capitals. Name. Profile name. should iterate over the same value. And right. So when we go into the dungeon, we'll save the characters once we've ascended our level, or once we've exited the dungeon. There. Wait, I think we just call this on profile change. We'll just have it as ready for now. Oop. Gets auto loaded anyways. Although profile manager should go last in the auto load order. It's, yeah, it should be after combat at the very least. Let me just double check how auto loads work, because the readies and the other things can go, I don't know. Like regular scenes, the engine will read these notes in top to bottom order. Okay. And I think on enter tree we'll have make it so the previously loaded profile will be stored like it's in users profiles, previously loaded .dat, and then yeah, go from there. I'm just going to check if there are any, errors on load, and if there aren't, I'll call the stream. Come on. Well, not found it. Yeah, okay, fine. Good grief, Flame's almost eaten it. Yes, I know the site scuff. While loading when we have something already. See what happens. Ah. There's no file. What? Should be. Characters.dat, yeah, it's there. But this file, for some reason the file's not. What? Okay, no, the file does exist here. It's just that. Character file, open, character. Oh, frick. Forgot to put in the file path. Yep, that'll do it. That'll do it. Okay, let's try again. Okay. Hey, everyone's level 2. So it does work. So his next order of business would be to actually get things on the working. Why is it not switch screens to the here? Yes, it works. As you can see, our party is now level 2. So that's a good way to go about it. I know it's been a short stream, but I think I need a lot more. I think I need to take a nap or something. Yeah, get my batteries recharged for Monday, because I think I've been streaming every day since Wednesday, and yeah, I don't think my body can handle it. So for now, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day wherever you are. Ta-ta for now.